So today we will continue with the exercise 6.1 with the question number 12. And from the question number 12 onwards, whatever the questions will come in the form of prove that. That means you have to prove LHS should be equals to RHS. If I conclude all the questions from question number 12 onwards in a short summary, then what actually we have done till so far, like question number 11, तक हम जो भी सॉल्व कर रहे थे, एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग इट हम उसके आंसर्स को आपके चैप्टर के बैक में आंसर कीज में क्रॉस चेक कर रहे थे वेदर यू हैव गॉट द राइट आंसर और नॉट. ओके, from question number 12 onwards, what we're gonna see is the answer is already written over here. Getting? जैसे √3/2 है, तो यानी कि जब आप इसे सॉल्व करेंगे ना, when you solve it, the answer of this equation should come √3/2. Then you will say LHS is equals to RHS. तो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस में तो आपके आंसर यहीं पे लिखे, बस आपको करना ये है कि आपको इसे सॉल्व करके ये आंसर लाना है. और इन दैट केस we will have some more questions in which there will be no value, there will be again some trigonometric ratio. So that means on solving the LHS one value will come, and solving the RHS one value will come, and the both value should be equivalent to each other. We'll see those questions also. For now let's concentrate on question number 12. Cos 30 plus sin 60 upon 1 plus cos 60 plus sin 30 is equals to √3/2. क्या करना है, हम सबसे पहले तो इसे जो इक्वल के इस तरफ होता है उसे हम कहते हैं LHS, दैट इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और इक्वल के जो इस तरफ होते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं RHS, दैट इज राइट हैंड साइड. तो हम सबसे पहले LHS को सॉल्व करेंगे. ऑल राइट, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन द LHS ओवर हियर. नाउ विल जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो फॉर cos 30. Cos 30 I have already written for your convenience. So cos 30 is √3/2 plus sin 60 is again √3/2 divided by. Now this is the main division what it says sign is there, so that's why we'll put the equal sign over here, not over here, over here. Now again 1 plus, now we have cos 60, that is 1/2 plus sin 30 is again 1/2. So for this part, as we are seeing the denominators are already equal, so that means the both numerator can be added easily. We'll write the denominator for one time. Now the main fraction part is coming, so we'll write like this, and now we're putting the equal sign. Over here also we are seeing that the denominator for this is not 2. But what we are going to do for now, we'll just put this 1 plus. These two denominators are same, so that means their numerator can be added. Okay, now after this √3 plus √3, it will become 2√3/2 divided by, this is the main division sign, 1 plus 1 plus 1 will become 2, that is 2/2. After this, now if you are having the problem over here, what is √3 plus √3, एक बार इस स्टेप के आगे हम जाएं. लेट मी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन वन मोर टाइम टू यू. एक है √3 प्लस √3, एक है √3 इंटू √3, एक है √3 प्लस √2, और एक है √3 इंटू √2. I just want to make you understand these concept. Please just pay attention over here. When I am having √3 plus √3, that means I can say that I am adding one similar part to the another similar part. यहाँ पे जब मैं देख रही हूँ ना कि यहाँ पे similar part है, it could be some number and again it could be some number. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं कि अगर मुझे 5 plus 5 करना हो तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, 2 into 5 कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स अ रिपीटेड एडिशन. 5 plus 5 क्या होगा, 10 होगा ना. तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं उसको, 2 into 5, दैट 2 times 5 is coming. गेटिंग? अगर मैंने एक और 3 कर दी, एक और 5 कर दिया, सो व्हाट इट गोना बी, दैट विल बी 3 into 5. रिपीटेड एडिशन हम देख चुके हैं ना, मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज नथिंग बट द रिपीटेड एडिशन, तो हम इसे कुछ इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. द सेम थिंग हैपेंस विद दिस irrational पार्ट ऑल्सो. इट विल बिकम 2 root 3. root 3 plus root 3 will become 2 root 3. But when it comes like this, root 3 plus root 2, you can't write like this root 5. It is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because if I want, let's just conclude over here. If I want to add 4 plus 5, I can't write like this, no, 2 into or something like 2 into write 4 or something like this. I can't write it. I can't even write root 5. क्यों नहीं लिख सकती हूँ? क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे तो जो ये पार्ट है ना 5 plus 4, ये कंप्लीट एक होल नंबर है, सो इट कैन बी इजीली एडेड और सब्ट्रैक्टेड. बट एड whereas we are having a root, that is root 3 or root 5 over here we have written for this one. root 3 की कुछ वैल्यू है, root 2 की कुछ वैल्यू है, we don't know the values. For now we can't add it like this. root 5 हम नहीं कर सकते इसे, it's not possible. Getting my point? So that's why this part will remain as it is. ये जैसा है ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. But when it comes to the multiplication now, ये तो हुआ हमारा कि अगर सेम रूट है तो हम ऐड कर सकते हैं लाइक अ रिपीटेड एडिशन. बट अगर डिफरेंट रूट है तो एज इट इज ही रहेंगे, उसे हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं. बट व्हाट इट कम्स व्हेन इट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3, इट बिकम्स रूट 3 द होल स्क्वायर. How it coming? Like this. If I'm saying 5 into 5, that means nothing but 5 power 2, na? 5 into 5, what is 25? 25 can be written as 5 power 2. So it's the same way I have written root 3 power 2. And we already know that the power and the root, the square power and the root get cancelled. So ultimately what you have the answer as 3. And when it comes to over here, root 3 into root 6, now you can multiply it and it will become root 6. Sorry, root 3 into root 2, now it will become root 6. Getting? Multiplication of root is possible, but the addition of the root is only possible when they are the same root. root 3 add हो सकते हैं, लेकिन root 2 root 3 add नहीं हो सकते हैं. You can't write root 5 over here. Got it? So now we'll continue with the question. Let's see the next step. So now as we can see, the 2 is being multiplied with the root 3 and this 2 is in the denominator. That can be cancelled out. Over here 2 ones are 2 ones are. Now what we have got over here is, let's write. Over here we have got root 3. So it will become root 3 upon 1. जब denominator में 1 हो, we don't write, है ना? We don't write. So we'll just put the main fraction sign. This one is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 1, because this is 2 ones are 2 ones are. 1 upon 1 is again 1. So that means this will become root 3 upon 2, and that is similar to the RHS. So now what we're gonna do is, and RHS is equals to root 3 upon 2. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Now just write the question one more time over here, and the question will be like cos 30 plus sin 60 upon 1 plus 1 plus cos 60 plus sin 30 is equals to root 3 upon 2. Hence proved.